In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shapes in Lucidchart, guiding you through the process step by step to make sure you're fully equipped to manage your diagrams with ease. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Lucidchart website. On the homepage, you'll notice a login option, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click. Now on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in carefully and then click on Next. It's key here not to rush so that you don't accidentally enter incorrect credentials. Next, you'll be asked to enter your password. Do so and then proceed by clicking Login. Once you're successfully logged into your account, your dashboard will appear. From here, you want to navigate to the Documents section. Access your documents by clicking on the relevant tab, usually found in the sidebar or on the main dashboard. After opening the Documents section, you need to start a new project. To do this, click on the New button, which might look like a plus sign or simply labelled New. You have two options for creating your project. If you want to use a pre-existing format, select Create from Template. This is particularly helpful if you're looking to save time or need a structured starting point. Click on Select Template, browse the available options, and once you find the one you like, click Use. Alternatively, if you prefer beginning from scratch, click New again and choose Blank Document. This prepares a fresh canvas for your creativity. To get started with adding shapes, make your way to the shape library, usually docked to the left side of the interface, and choose the shape that suits your project needs. Click on the shape you like, then drag and drop it onto your canvas. Easy, isn't it? If you find that you need to remove a shape, like if you've accidentally placed one or decide to change your design, simply click on the shape to select it. You can opt to right-click and choose Delete from the contextual menu, or pressing the Delete key on your keyboard works just as well. This ensures your workspace stays tidy and focused on your ultimate goal. To change the shape, click on the desired shape again and drag it to move or adjust it as needed. This freedom allows you to design intuitively, reshaping your workspace to fit your vision. Keep practicing these steps to boost your proficiency within the Lucidchart environment. Remember, these processes can significantly enhance your efficiency when working on diagrams, allowing you to focus more on refining your content. Happy diagramming!